day, everybody. Yes, at last the final moment has arrived. The unboxing of my magical toy. And I'm very, very excited. So, let's see what is inside this box. Plastic, 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 and another box. And it has arrived. So, everybody wondering what this is all about? It's a nice little toy. And if I say little, I mean it is little, but you can do some major good stuff with this little camera. Wow, at last. 360-degree photography. I'm in the game. So it is the Insta360 1X2, the latest and greatest action camera with 360 view, all nicely wrapped and protected with a touchscreen. And there is the battery. Very, very nice. Oh, what else is in the box? Let's see. Charging cable. Stickers. No, I'm going to use that. Who needs this? A manual. Yeah, right. And some notes and stuff. And guess what? It's written in Chinese. Doesn't help me nothing because I can't read Chinese. Okay, and this is the lens protection cloth. Let's see what is this one in here. Oh, a little pouch. Carry pouch for it. Oh, nice. Nice and compact. Man, this is great. And this is where all the magic can happen. Beautiful. Now let's see. This is the charging point. Okay. So I can charge it. Socket for a tripod. Let's see. Excellent. There's a little gorilla pot. Cute. Now, very important. When you buy equipment, go into the specifications. Read all the fine print about it as well. familiarize yourself with what is necessary to make this thing work at the end, because they do not include a memory card. So I have to order a memory card. Specifications, it's all given to me, nice and fair. And then suddenly reading, and I realized, oh goodness, I have ordered an SD card, and this camera takes a micro SD card. So on the phone, cancel the order, change the order, get the new card. And that's what this big box is for. Wow, a nice big box. And a micro SD card. Important is the read speed of 170 megabytes per second or megabits per second, and a write speed of 90. And this card is 128 gigabyte in size. That should be ample size to do video recording with this camera as well. 360-degree video recording, virtual video, virtual photography. Yay! I'm in the game. Watch out, Kondor Photographic is up for some major stuff. Now, I'm going to play and practice with it, understand it, make sure the camera understands me, and once we've got that nice relationship built, like I do with all my other cameras, I will share the footage with you. Test footage and maybe a couple of bloopers as well. Enjoy your day.